Go, go, go.
Professor Brenda Bradley. This is my factory. You guys want to check it out? Yeah? You guys come on in. 4. So the 4 I picked, come on up here. Each of you take a wheel. You're going to grab this one for me because you're taller. So you got this one over here. See that right there? All right. Nice, you can, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, go, go. Let's see if we have enough, guys. 3, 2, good job, guys.
Wow, you're making love.
All right, guys, let me step back. See what's going on. Okay, so now we're painting this with the factory logo. Now we're ready to see what they look like. So follow me down here, guys. Okay. So now to get this machine to turn on, we all need to say at the count of 3. We love Lego. Think we can do it? All right, guys, here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3. We love Lego! There they are, guys. Brand new Lego factory bricks. Now, for helping me out today, guys, I'm going to let you take one of these home. So follow me inside. We'll pass out the bricks, and we're going to go to Kingdom Quest. Come on in, guys. Welcome, guys. All right, guys, start heading that way once we get our bricks. You're welcome, guys. Here you go.